Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.